This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by measuring the door frame accurately. Height and width matter, write them down. Once done, select the net style that fits your use. Magnetic for quick pass-through, hinged for frequent hands. Make sure you have tools on hand: a drill, screws matching frame material, a level, tape, and a pencil. You now mark the mounting points on the frame using the net's template or by spacing anchors evenly, and double-check alignment with the level before drilling any holes. You pre-drill holes at the marks using the recommended bit size. This prevents splitting and ensures anchors seat properly. Next, fasten the top header of the net assembly so it holds weight, then attach each side, pulling the mesh taut but not overstretched so it hangs straight. Once sides are secure, install bottom fasteners or weight strip. Make sure magnets or hook strips are aligned. If your net has a center seam, align it with the door center so closure is smooth and insect gaps are minimized. You finish by running the door through a full set of open and close motions, watching for gaps at edges and ensuring magnets or closures meet every time. If you spot misalignment, loosen screws slightly and shift the frame or net by small increments, 2 to 5 mm, then retighten. This fine-tuning solves most fit issues. If the mesh sags or tears, add a center support strip or upgrade anchors to stronger wall plugs. Finally, lubricate hinges lightly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.